All right, so now I'm gonna change the filter on my brand new humidifier. This is exactly where it goes. This hangs onto the back. There's a little lip here that I just attached it to. Now it's perfectly hanging on to that area. Now I need to attach this bobber. Place the bottom portion in this little guide here. Now the filter is all set. Next thing I have to do is put the lid on it. That's all I need to do to attach the lid. It is secure on the top of his. Next thing I'm going to do is fill up this water tank. It has some water in there, so I'm going to start to drain it. In the next couple seconds, it'll start to drain. So now you can hear that it's starting to drain and fill up the tank. It'll take about 10 minutes for it to saturate and be able to start to humidify the room. But in no time, the room will be filled with humidity. I'll also put this cover on here to hide the water tank. That way it looks a lot nicer. Okay, so the first half gallon has drained into the humidifier. Now I'm going to remove the lid. Take this to the sink to fill it up with some more water. As you see here, I'm going to use this siphoning tube and attach it to the sink. Okay, now that's attached. I will quickly unscrew the top of this. Put the hose in the tank. And start letting the water flow into the tank. So now the tank is almost all the way filled. I'll turn it off. Put this out of there. Screw this top back on. And I'm ready to fill the tank even further. Okay, so another round of filling the humidifier tank. Just placing this in there. And it'll automatically drain. And it'll stop draining when it's ready to stop. It's telling me that it needs to be filled further with that F there. And it's also telling me that the humidity in this room is 31% relative humidity. So I'd prefer it to be at least above 35. And now, just after about a minute, it turned on automatically. My setting on here is at 40, so yeah, let's keep it at 40. Look, it's grown all the way to 65, but let's keep it around 40, maybe 45. I'm putting this cover back on. So it really just sounds like a fan that's running. So there you have it. That's my AirCare humidifier. It's an industrial humidifier that humidifies large rooms quickly. It has very low maintenance, and it's very effective.